You're collecting data with Typeform, but managing your work with HubSpot. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, turn Typeform leads into HubSpot contacts automatically, ensuring no potential customer falls through the cracks. Or update existing HubSpot contacts when customers provide new information through your forms. Or even automatically segment contacts into targeted lists based on their Typeform responses for precise marketing. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Typeform and HubSpot, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.